So now we're in the vehicle. We're gonna go ahead and reset our oil light. We're gonna go ahead and put our key in the ignition and turn it to the second position, which is the run position. And then you can see here it says hood open. So gonna go ahead, there's actually a little button right here on the left stalk. So we're gonna go ahead, hit that button, and then you can see the oil light remaining. And then you're gonna go ahead and just press the button again. And then you're gonna rotate the stalk up and then hit yes. And now we're back at 100% oil life. And there you have it. That's how you change the oil on a 2020 Chevrolet Trax with a 1.4 liter turbocharged engine. If you would have done something differently, please let me know in the comments below. If you like content like this, please consider subscribing. And as always, I really hope that you found this video helpful, educational, and entertaining. Thanks, and take care.